off the coast of South America in the Caribbean Sea. It's us, the Kratts brothers. I'm Chris. I'm Martin. And swimming in the waters around us is a type of creature who has remained relatively unchanged since the time of the dinosaurs. It has a perfect design for seafaring and sea living. Yeah, you know who we're talking about. Sea turtles! The body design of the sea turtle has been pretty much unchanged for millions of years. It's the same today as it was way back then. That shape and design of the sea turtle has enabled it to survive while all the dinosaurs died out. That's how good it is. But how is it this good? Why does it work? Let's check out this ultimate sea survivor in action. Hey, how about swimming with the sea turtles? Not much here. The grass flats. A turtle! A green sea turtle! Whoa, look at him go. Flying through the water. A sea turtle can stay underwater for 12 minutes when swimming without coming up for air. He's not letting us get close. He's keeping his shell towards us. I wonder why. What about all the challenges and dangers of living in the sea? How did sea turtles survive with all the aquatic mega dinosaurs after them? How do they escape the sharks and killer whales after them today? Imagine if we had the power to swim with the sea turtles. What if?
On adventure with the coolest creatures, from the oceans to the trees, the brothers crack are going places you never get to see. Hanging with their creature friends, get ready, it's the hour. We're gonna see some animals today with Creature Power. Gonna go wild, wild, that's gonna go wild, 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 that's gonna go wild, wild, that's gonna go wild, wild, wild. Killer speed and lizard fly, falcon flight and lion ride. Gonna go wild, wild, that's gonna go wild, 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 that's gonna go wild, wild, that's gonna go wild, 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 that's go wild, 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 that's.
Tortuga tune-up. What is up with Aviva? Hey, Aviva, what's going on?
Well, I'll put it this way. I'm troubled by the Tortuga. I love the design, of course. It's one of my favorite inventions. But there's something missing, and I can't put my finger on it.
Oh, what are you talking about? The Tortuga's great just the way it is. It has a protective shell like a tortoise or any kind of turtle. With plenty of room inside. And it has retractable legs and head like my favorite land turtle. Hey!
Who's that?
He's talking about the box turtle and its incredible ability to retract into its shell completely. It's a great defense for the box turtle, and for us, whenever we have to go into lockdown mode against one of our villains.
What in the world are they doing down there? What? Can't a person just replace a shell plate without getting jostled? Whoa!
And who doesn't love camouflage? The Tortuga has camouflage patterns so it can blend into its background like a box turtle or a leopard tortoise does. That's why turtle shells have such amazing patterns. Oh, I like box turtles. Wait, no, leopard tortoise. How about a spotted terrapin? Turtles around the world have shell patterns that can blend into just about any conceivable habitat. And the Tortuga's got all that too. And it can even hover like the flying turtle! Yeah, and flying is really good for... Tortuga hover mode can really spin!
Martin, cut the hover. There are no flying turtles.
Oh yeah, true. I kinda got carried away. So you see, Aviva, the Tortuga is great just the way it is. The Tortuga is absolutely awesome! Incredible! Perfect just the way it is.